Identifying the correct color formula is the essential first step in achieving a good match to an OEM vehicle color. First, look up the vehicle color using Paint Manager software and identify the location of the chip deck in the corresponding color box. Locate a variant chip that provides an acceptable blendable match. If you're not satisfied with the variant chip selection, prepare a sprayout card using the color formula found in the Paint Manager software. Following best practices, it's always a good idea to create a sprayout card for your color library and future use. Once you've located the color formula, identify the proper G shade for the selected color. Prepare a sprayout card using the correct G shade card recommended by the formula. Using the same spray equipment and techniques that will be employed when painting the vehicle, apply a single coat of base coat color to the sprayout card, and be sure to dehydrate the base coat layer thoroughly. Continue applying coats in this fashion until perceived opacity is achieved. For base coats containing metallic and/or pearl pigments, apply a control coat to 1/2 of each card. Keep in mind that depending on the vehicle, a control coat may or may not be necessary. After allowing all base coat layers to dry thoroughly, apply 2 coats of clear coat to each card. Clear coating the sprayout card is required to evaluate the color properly. Once dry, check the sprayout card against the vehicle for an acceptable blendable match. It's best to evaluate the color in natural light or by using a color-corrected light source. Once a blendable color match is verified, use the Paint Manager color formula to mix enough G shade and base coat color for the entire repair. Appropriately label the sprayout card and file for future reference.